All right, so this is what we used last year. This is, I think it was an old bookcase or something. It's just press board. Clearly didn't make it out very well. So we're gonna see if we can make something a little bit better that'll last a little bit longer. All right, let's go over and see what we got for materials to work with. All right, so materials we're working with. They're saying these are 2x2s on the tag, but yeah, they're only 1 inch by 1 inch by what? Maybe 3 feet. Yeah, about 3 feet. And then we got some 2x8s by 8 foot. Of course, we got our non-OSHA approved safety glasses, also sunglasses because I can't find my safety glasses. Some screws, saw, drill, and you never know when you're going to need a BFH. So, all right, let's start in on this. All right, first things first, we're going to make 2 4-foot boards out of this one 8-foot board because well, it says 8 foot, but boards are never actually what it says. Just a little piece of advice for those that don't know construction, like I didn't and still really don't. But either way, we're going to mark out 4 feet. We're going to do that. We're going to cut that piece, and then we'll get another 4 foot out of that side, and then we got to do one more that's 4 foot, or another set of 2 4-foot boards, and then we'll do 4 3-foot boards for the other sides. So let me get these cut, and then we'll move on. All right, so these are going to be the shorter side. We need to do 3 feet on this side. So mark there, move it up, the other side of the board, another 3, and then we'll take a straight edge and connect them and make our line. We got 2 of the 4-foot boards right here. We're going to line it up with one at the bottom, so that's going to be the side that's sitting on the ground. So we want that to be level. The rest we're going to stick up because we're going to end up putting a little fence around this to keep the lawnmower people out that apparently decide they like to take people's flowers out. Alright, so we'll get these screwed in. We'll do the other side, and then we'll start working on the side. Alright, so now we have our 4-foot piece, one of the sides. And we gotta take the 3-foot one. Sorry, get my shadow out of there for you. We're gonna line them up, bottom. And the second one, I'll go to the other side and do the same thing, and then we'll put the bottom on. Let's get rid of the old one, clean up this spot a little bit, and we'll slide the new one in there. Yeah, let's just do this the YouTube magic way. Took about an hour. Pretty easy to do. Of course, you could do it 100 different ways. could use different wood and all that stuff, but that's what we came out with. Hope you all enjoy.